to show you this pre-owned 2023 Toyota Corolla that we have here on the lot. Just gonna take a quick walk around the car today, just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Now this Corolla is fairly well equipped. As we come around towards the back here, you can see you have your backup camera, of course, back there. Overall, the car is in good condition on the exterior as well. Just checking out some of the features inside here. So you can fit up to 5 passengers in the vehicle. Seats themselves are a cloth seat in good condition across the vehicle as well. You do have your rubber floor mats included, both front and back. Checking out some of the features up front here, so you do have your touchscreen display area, of course access to all of your audio media controls in there. Bluetooth capabilities also accessible in through here as well, and access to just some of the apps and settings. Just below that, access to your climate control options in through there, heated seats, steering wheel mounted controls, so you do have access to all of your cruise control options. Bluetooth audio media controls just in on that left hand side, so everything easily accessible right on the steering wheel itself. Power windows, locks, side mirrors, and as you can see towards the center bottom of the screen, this Toyota does have 83,023 kilometers currently on it. If you'd like a little more information on this 2023 Toyota Corolla, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.